Well, I'm at my friend's house. He showed me some plastic wheels that have cracked, and he's got two of them here that have got cracks on them. And there's people out there that make these plastic wheels, and I keep telling you that there's like 5 or 6 different sizes of governor assemblies, and it all has to do with the pinion gear that matches up to the drum. So here's a plastic wheel, and the width of this plastic wheel that somebody made, and it might work, is around 7.63 millimeters in width, 7.73. But the original plastic wheel is 7.9 or 7.87. Again, depending on where you got this wheel in the holder. So what I'm going to do is I broached out these wheels for him for later use. But what I'm going to do is show you what somebody suggested to my friend at one of his meetings. The Amish people take a micro drill bit, and this is a pretty small drill bit, and they drill holes on both sides of the crack. And so that's what I'm going to do now off camera. I've never actually done this. I've seen pictures of it, but I've never actually done it. But here I have holes drilled in this. So now I need to get some really fine wire and stick in those holes and twist it until it closes up the gap of that plastic where that crack is. Now they make a pair of pliers, and I got it set at my house. But what you do is you clamp down on the wire, and then you pull this piece at the end of the plier, and as you pull it, the pliers actually twist, which allows the wire to twist. And hopefully you could see it if I could show you in the camera. There's a crack in this wheel. So now I have the wire on. I'm going to twist it, and hopefully it will close up that crack. The wire broke on me, but that's the concept behind putting the holes in and repairing it that way.